Treating your lawn to some TLC in the spring can really pay off later. And with proper maintenance, your outdoor spaces will look great all season long. Here's what you'll need to keep your lawn healthy and lush. First, well after the first thaw, use a rake to de-thatch your lawn. Once the lawn is actively growing, select a fertilizer based on your grass type and climate. Then use a spreader to evenly distribute the correct amount of fertilizer. You'll also want to reseed the lawn in early spring or fall to encourage growth in sparse areas. To maintain a lush lawn, be sure to mow it at least every 10 days, especially during the warmer growing season. And be sure to water deeply to encourage deep roots. Finally, maintain your lawnmower and gardening equipment. It's essential you keep the mower's engine clean and blade sharp. Good luck, and thanks for shopping at the Home Depot.